it.
I'm very careful with this. Don't pull on it too much, so okay. I'm going to tighten these more.
Dang. Just like that, huh? Like, oh my god, I look like a goat, like one of those dogs.
Poodles.
No, the other kind. My mom
Like the
had
English
them.
sheepdog? Or like a Lhasa Apso.
Well, she got no mercy on that. Just like, here, too bad you don't got hair no
She's
more.
been waiting to do this, just so you know.
Wow. You're going to look cute.
Oh my God,
cute.
look. I feel like I just lost 80 pounds.
I know, huh?
You
Doesn't
look
your head feel
cute.
so much lighter?
Picture of it. Did you get a video of it?
Wow, I've never seen it this short and I don't know how long.
Give her a kiss so she can have it, so we can have it on video.
Oh, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Oh, hold up, I'm crying.